Do you know that somewhere 250 million light years away, there's a black hole that's literally screaming into the universe, not metaphorically? It's producing pressure waves that echo through an entire galaxy cluster. This monstrous black hole sits at the heart of the Perseus Galaxy Cluster. It's so powerful, it bends space itself, and those distortions send ripples through the surrounding gas, like sound waves in air. But these waves are far too deep for our ears to ever hear, which is 57 octaves, which is below middle C. NASA's scientists took this real data and transformed it into sound we can actually perceive. What you're about to hear is what that darkness would sound like if your ears could survive space. That's not science fiction, it's data from a real black hole, a place where light, time, and even sound lose their meaning. The universe doesn't just exist in silence, it hums, it roars, it sings. And this is one of its darkest songs. Thanks for watching. If you want to hear more real sounds of space, subscribe, because this is just one whisper from the infinite.